Mortal remains of soldiers who were martyred in Jammu Kashmir's Doda will reach their native villages today. Four brave hearts, Captain Brajesh Thapa, Naik D. Rajesh, Sepoy Bijendra and Sepoy Ajay laid down their lives in the line of duty during an encounter with terrorists on Monday evening. The hunt for terrorists is underway in the forests of Doda. Kashmir Tigers, a shadow group of the band JEM, has claimed responsibility for the terror attack. A pall of gloom descended on the native places of the four martyred personnel as the news reached them. They are now waiting for the mortal remains to arrive home with tears in their eyes but hearts filled with pride.
You see, my son was always, he wanted to be in the army. Right from his childhood, he used to, I said he used to wear my army dress and go around and he used to feel good. And even after he had done his engineering, he takes his BTech, but still he was bent on going to the army only. I feel proud that my son has done something for our nation and for the security of the nation. But only thing is that we will be missing him for the rest of our life.
गर्व तो होता ही है ना, देश के लिए कुछ किया उसने, है ना, तो देश के लिए तो कुछ किया हुआ, तो गर्व तो होता ही है। ये है कि उसके अलावा फिर उसको हमने अभी वो हमसे दूर गए ना काफ़ी, वही है कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारा उसके साथ हुआ। तो फिर
जो हमारी पीढ़ी है वो सेना से ही आती है, उसके बाद आगे वाली पीढ़ी भी सेना में गई। हम काफ़ी सारे दोस्त थे जो एक साथ तैयारी करते थे, उनमें से जो अजय था वो टाइम पे मतलब आर्मी में ज्वाइनिंग हो गई थी उसकी, और वो देश के लिए अपनी सेवा दे रहा था। लेकिन अब आज के दिन ये खबर मिली तो पूरे गांव को इसका दुख है, और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी का इतना मतलब अच्छा नसीब होगा जो देश के लिए अपनी शहादत दे पाए। हर किसी को ये खुश नसीबी नहीं मिलती जो अजय सिंह को मिली है।
Even as the country salutes the brave hearts and their valor, politics continues unabated. The opposition is seeking accountability from the government over recent surge in terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir. As many as 48 soldiers have been killed in action in 32 months in the region. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, while expressing concern on rising terror attacks, said that our soldiers and their families are bearing the brunt of BJP's wrong policies. Other Congress leaders and India bloc allies asserted that BJP's promises of ending terror in Jammu Kashmir have proven hollow.
Why such a situation should continue, and who should be held answerable if not the union government headed by Ms. Modi? What happened to their Kashmir policy? Why the peace and normalcy could not be restored there?
अभी 3 सालों में 48 से ज्यादा हमारे फौजी जवान शहीद हुए और कहीं जख्मी हुए और कहीं 38 से ज्यादा आतंकी वारदातें हुई। तो इसका जो सिक्योरिटी लैप्स है, इसकी जिम्मेवारी तो सरकार को लेनी चाहिए।
And as the opposition blamed the BJP government at the centre and its Kashmir policies for the terror attacks, the Jammu Kashmir DGP slammed the role of regional parties in the valley for Pakistan's successful infiltration into the Kashmiri civil society. He even alleged that so-called mainstream political parties cultivated leaders of terror networks and visited homes of killed terrorists to express sympathy with them. The comments of the DGP didn't go down well with PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti, who lashed out at DGP R.R. Swain and demanded his sacking. Both the PDP chief and the Congress party branded the DGP as a fixer.
Pakistan successfully came to infiltrate all important aspects of our civil society. Thanks to the regional so-called mainstream politics in the valley, there is overwhelming evidence to show that many had honed the art of running with the hare and hunting with the hound to a near science that left both the common men and the security men bewildered, frightened and confused. Visiting homes of killed terrorists and expressing sympathy in public became the new normal. While elimination of new recruits to terrorism was allowed and tacitly encouraged, those who facilitated the recruitment, arranged finances, were never investigated.
अब ये अपनी नाकामी को छुपाना चाहते हैं। They want to hide behind mainstream and regional parties. अपनी नाकामी को छुपाना चाहते हैं। He should be sacked. What is the DG doing? Infiltration का काम रोकना मेरा काम है? उमर अब्दुल्ला का काम है या इनका काम है? बॉर्डर्स में कौन है? अंदर किसको डील करना है? किसने पुलिस फोर्स को मिलिटराइज किया है? Who has criminalized the thought process of Kashmiris?